morning, pot pickers. It's a lovely freezing cold November's day with the threat of sleet or snow. It's just absolutely pissed it down. So, you may be asking yourself, why are you out on your bike? Well, because I have an MOT. I was supposed to have it last week when it was glorious and sunny, but shit being shit that happens. I got the b.o.a.t out, pressed the starter, it started, and then it stopped, and then it wouldn't start again. So I spent all day trying to get it going. It had a spark, it had fuel at the plug, it just would not fire up. So luckily I have some knowledgeable friends and some very helpful friends. With the aid of a new spark plug, hey presto, it now goes at the press of a button again. Well, hopefully it does. It started today, so yeah. So we're now riding round in about 0 degrees, wet, threat of snow, and the gritters have been out. So once I've had my MOT, I've got the great joy of washing the bike off later, and I've only been for an MOT, so yeah. And it was my birthday yesterday. I know, happy birthday, thank you all. So we'll get to the shop, hopefully have a nice warm coffee. I've got biscuits, and then hopefully it'll pass. We shall find out shortly. Oh, fuck me. I do like the sound of this. Especially when I miss the gear. Oh, well, I'm in a car, so I'm just going to keep coming, am I? Dickheads. Well, she passed. Now we're riding home in the rain. Oh, great joy. Gotta love the old British winter, just like the summer. I was going to go home and hose the bike off, but if it's still chucking it down, I ain't going to bother. Oh, come on, it's raining hard. This bike still starts and runs anyway. Who'd have thought dirt bike getting dirty, eh? I don't really mind if the ground's wet, like on the byways and stuff. I do hate riding in the wet. Fuck a duck. Right. That's me done. Gonna go home. Might wash the bike, might not. Nice Chinese tonight. Watch a film. Have a Peroni. Take it easy, everybody. Stay safe. Laterers.